23 years of dedication and commitment. Train 6 days a week.
Lifting big weights.
Just need to be dedicated and stick at it.
Weights are the best you can do, so weight training more than anything else.
Cardio every morning, low carb diet.
A big hello to Savage Strength TV. Let's get angry, let's hit the gym.
Going in the gym as much as possible, and it's all about diet really.
I'm just eating good, loads of good food.
I just enjoy keeping fit.
There's no secrets, just train hard and heavy.
Work out every day.
Hard work and consistency. Basically, hit the gym every day.
It's hard, but gotta do it, haven't you? No pain, no gain basically.
And then you start looking like this.
Hello to Savage Strength. Hello, Savage Strength.
G'day, Savage Strength.
How are you?
Basically, that's it.